Microsoft account OTP not received. Hello everyone, I'm here to provide you the guidance how you cannot receive the Microsoft account OTP. If you aren't receiving the Microsoft account OTP verification, you have to try this troubleshooting step. So you have to ensure that your phone number or email associated with your Microsoft account is correct. And also you can go back to the verification page and select the option to resend the code. So if you are expecting the OTP through your email, you can check your spam or junk folder. Just go and tap on your email here. Just go and click on the three-line option which is on the top left. And once you are here, you have to check and scroll down and go for the spam and your junk folder. And you can find your spam and junk folder messages here. Also, you have to make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you are using your mobile data, you have to try switching between your Wi-Fi here. And you have to wait for a while. So there can be also delay in receiving the OTP. So you have to wait a few minutes before trying. So if you are using your device, ensure that do not disturb mode is not blocking notification. Just go and swipe your notification here and you have to just close your DND here. And also you can use a different method. Try using an alternative verification mode like Authenticator app if you have said that one. So if none of this above, or you have to just go for your Chrome here and just search for the Microsoft support here. So once you have searched for the Microsoft support, you have to just navigate to that page here. And you can contact to the Microsoft support and you have to tell your issues here. So you have to just type your issue that you aren't receiving the OTP code on your Microsoft here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix your not receiving one-time password for your Microsoft account verification. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.